Hey guys, What's Patty? How are you? We have Infected Rain. They have a new single, Dying Light. I was excited because I did put my notification in and it's like, woohoo, it's on the list. All right. So there's been some changes, okay, to the group. So the guitar and the bass is left. And as of now, Alice Lane, which by the way, she's sweet, from Hand of Juno, will be, doing the duties. So if you haven't caught up on that, I just caught you up. I'm excited about this because they've always been, on my list. And I wanted to, oh, by the way, I want to thank you, Hold Tight. They work very close with Napalm Records, and I usually get like some of their stuff to review, so I'm really excited about that. But okay, let's go back to Infected Rain. So Elena's voice is like sweet. If you roar, you got me. Okay, so let's check out this new single. Here we go, guys.
inevitably, like leaves falling from the tree. We crumble and fall inevitably. Wrinkles on our face, a sign of our grave. Holding on to our past for time, like a fading dying light.
Dang it. Whoops. Sorry about that, guys. That is okay, priceless and effortless from on her part. Beautiful. Oh my gosh. I love the way she screams and roars, and it's so clean, so learning, the different ways. But yes, I really, really like this new journey that they are taking. Oh, by the way, I forgot to tell you, they are on tour. It's called the Hell Date 2023 tour. And yeah, they're not coming to the US. It looks like they'll be in Munich. So if you're in Munich, go for me. Yay. Yes. I have to say I really like this sound, so I'm hoping that there'll be more on my production list. So we'll see. Okay, but they're definitely going to have to say this is like my favorite song of the day. So don't forget to go Spotify or wherever, but you can go to getonpointtv.com and you'll see it there with this new single called "Dying Light." So yes. All right, guys, do me a favor. If you like this video, hit the like, hit the sub, and don't forget to hit the bell. Down below is our Cozy Cup Club. Don't forget to join along with my merch. Leave me a comment. What do you think of that? So, what do you think of the new, technically, guitar and bassist? Because she's like, taking both roles. So, leave me a comment on that. Don't forget, if you have Roku TV, guys, download the app. And if not, it's okay. Once again, you can go to getonpointtv.com. Other than that, I'll see you next time. Ja matane.